Let's make a marble cake. Add 1 1/4 cups of cake flour or all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 cup or 3½ ounce box of vanilla instant pudding mix to a medium bowl and sift or whisk. Add 3 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a large bowl and mix. Then add 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of softened room temperature butter and mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. Add half of your 3/4 cup of milk and half of the dry ingredient mixture and mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Add the rest of the milk and the rest of the dry ingredients and mix. Scrape again and one final mix. Add 1/3 cup of really hot water and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder to a medium bowl and mix. Then add about half of the cake batter to the bowl and mix to form your chocolate cake batter. Use shortening or butter and grease a 5 by 9 inch bread pan, then flour it. Scoop a little bit of the vanilla cake batter into the pan, then a little bit of the chocolate cake batter. Keep layering until both batters are in the bread pan. Use a long wooden skewer or butter knife and draw zigzags in the cake batter to create the marbling look. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean when poked in the center. Let the cake cool for 15 minutes in the pan, then remove it and place on a wire rack to cool completely, another 15 to 20 minutes. Slice and serve. Enjoy! Find the written recipe on my website, intthekitchenwithmatt.com.